Good morning. And you guys are starting off your morning with me because it's snowing. It's snowing. Isn't that crazy? It's fucking snowing. Look at Oreo, don't want to go down. He don't want to go down. Come on, Oreo. Real fast. In and out. So, this is how I'm starting off my morning. I just woke up. And, yeah. This is another stripper Vlogmas, and this is how we're doing it. In New York, snowing, it's a little bit cold, still don't got my coat, but it's okay. It's okay. You know, it's alright. Oh, man. This is like so crazy. Hopefully, you know, I'm still on point with this Vlogmas and stuff. I'm trying to do the best I can because I'm still learning how to do this stuff. But, you know, I'm just pretending it's a regular vlog. And I'm vlogging, even though it's a stripper Vlogmas. Yay! But, just walking him. And I have on my sandals with socks. Stupid idea because it's fucking cold. But, day 2. Of a stripper Vlogmas. Right, y'all, so I am in the house and I'm so tired. And I know, like, my vlogging is gonna be a little bit different from everybody else because, like, my schedule, my morning is completely different to everybody else. I sleep during the day and I work at night. So my vlogs is literally gonna be like the day after the date is supposed to be uploaded, but I hope you guys don't mind that, right? Y'all don't mind that, right? Okay. But anyways, I literally am just uploading the Vlogmas right now. Probably gonna be up like within the next 25 minutes, but you guys are gonna see it by then. And I'm waiting for my best friend to come back home because her ass went to take her little sisters back to college and they got into a fucking car accident because of the snow and the ice upstate. So I'm home alone again and I'm literally just resting and sleeping. But this time tonight, I will be at the club early. And hopefully I make something. Because last night I made nothing. And that's the only bad thing about, like that's the only thing, like, about dancing that I could tell you guys. That why I always say, like, listen, just get a stable job. Okay, no, you probably won't make as much as a dancer will within, like on a nightly basis or, like, a weekly basis. But it is a stable income. Stripping is not stable. There'll be days where I could leave with $600 or I could leave with $5. Like, it's not stable. That's the only thing. And you also need to know, like, when is the perfect time to go into dance. Because, obviously, when I went last night, I completely forgot that Black Friday was just on Friday. Everybody's broke right now. Everybody already spent their money at Target, Best Buy, and whatnot. And so nobody's really going to be at the club the following week because everybody's, you know, prepping for the holidays and stuff like that. But it's always like within the middle of the month that the money will really start to come in, unless you live in Miami or a big city like Atlanta, you know, Miami and stuff like that. Then you'll make money. Or unless you work in Manhattan. I don't work in Manhattan, so maybe I should try it. I don't really know. We'll see. I don't really know. Anyways, I'm going to continue vlogging. It's probably not going to be, again, my sleep schedule is so different. Like, I literally sleep all day. And then I don't start vlogging at night. So it's kind of like another stripper vlog, but it's just a stripper Vlogmas. But it's not really a stripper vlog. Because it's not every night I'm going to be dancing. Or maybe I should dance every night. No. I don't know. I don't really like working every single night. I definitely don't work on the weekends. I don't like working on the weekends. I just, oh my God, I just don't. But, look, I'm getting tired again. I'm gonna eat, take a shit, shower, take another nap, then I'll get ready. So I'll be back. All right, y'all. So, December 2nd. Bitch, it's cold as fuck outside. It's snowing. I'm gonna die if I go to work with the shit I got on. I think I have no choice but to just go to Staten Island. Oh my god, but it's so cold. Like, I just walked. This nigga right here. Oreo. Yes, hello. I just walked him, and he's even cold. Oh my god, y'all see? I have a new breakout. Hormones coming in. New breakout. Yeah, it's cold as fuck outside. Like, damn. It's snowing too and shit. I almost busted my ass with the fucking slush. I don't think I'm gonna go to work tonight unless I get my coat. So I'm gonna just go. Ow. Go to Staten Island. I'm having a terrible day. Yo, I've been throwing up. I'm hungry. I can't fucking eat nothing in my fucking friend's house because all she eats is fucking meat and chicken periods and fucking cow titty milk. I can't even eat that stuff because if I eat it, I will fucking die. Anyways, so I think I have no choice but to make that sacrifice and go to Staten Island. Maybe I can ask my Trini to drive me to the ferry because, girl, it's mad cold. It's like, what, 29 degrees outside right now? And I don't got no boots. I don't got nothing. Nothing. I literally just been sitting in here all day. I just went outside to walk Oreo. Sitting, sleeping, falling asleep, like waking up again, sitting, falling asleep, all that stuff. So I'll get back to ya. It's frozen. Oh,
I told you.
It was frozen. Oh shit. Okay. Okay. Maybe you should use the car more often.
No, this was during the storm. Remember, you were trying to ask if we could come. And so Sapphire, it's like a bad blizzard right now, like a storm. Sapphire, I opened the door and I sat down. All the snow came inside and crashed on me. Like, all this was snow. I was screaming because I sat on cold ass snow.
Well, I'm sitting on some snow right now, actually. My ass is.
And then you feel like melting into your butt cheeks.
Yep. In my vagina.
Yep. But I was telling you. Yeah, so it was like snowing like crazy. Like, they now have the freaking flowers and stuff, but it was you're gonna see there's like no ice anywhere where we at. I mean, salt, whatever. You know what I mean?
Sure. Well, I'm hungry.
Well, they already got your patin list.
Hell yeah. And I'm vlogging. Every day until Christmas. Vlogmas. So you're in it, FYI.
Maybe Vlogmas.
Why would you do that? Or
You threw a tissue and I threw ice at you. Like, what's that? You threw the tissue that you would need to wipe your face. Here you go.
you're an ass wipe. Or
How did I get stuck on my face?
Oh.
Cops out here running red lights.
Yep.
Oh, I'm blocking the
Oh my gosh, my butthole. You don't have like the
shovel thing?
no, like
No,
the butt
no.
heaters?
Oh, no.
Where you don't have the butt heaters? Oh my gosh. So cold.
I'm going to invest in it.
And a butt heater?
Yep.
Cool.
She was getting ready to die because you know when they hide a lot and they start digging.
Yep.
So I took her to the. So I was like, you know what? Let me just freak it. I told her though. Said that was gonna cost me like $300 to take her. And he was like, okay. So he transferred me the money. We took her to the vet, and it's that she has severe arthritis in the back of her hind legs and her back. So they sent her with painkillers home. And ever since we gave her painkillers, now she's coming out the bed. She's moving more. She's walking around. They gave her joint medication, so she has arthritis. And then they did blood work. So they just called me today and told me that her white blood cell count is pretty high. It's like a little bit high. So she's like, it's most likely she had an infection too. So
Or UTI?
I don't know, but she said there's like an infection going on in Misty. So I'll pick up her antibiotics. But I couldn't do it today because it's a snowstorm.
Oh, fuck. Huh? Hi, Onyx.
I got to buy you.
You what?
Yep, Misty.
Misty? Oh, okay.
Miss Titi?
Why are you so wet?
Because it's snow.
It's so snowy.
Timmy turn!
Timmy, turn.
Oh, I forgot it's a weekday.
I'm so excited. So
Oh, doing this here.
We have the softest bed ever.
You have the softest bed ever? Oh, wow, that's amazing.
How you build that? How you gonna reach the car right now?
I don't know. Help me take this off. Thank you.
Just relax. Relax. Just join.
Take this off. Take it off. Thank you. Ouch, Onyx. Thank you.
it was frozen.
Frozen.
That Sapphire is calling me. Emerald, I am out at the ferry, and I'm like, okay, I'm like trying to dig out the handle just to open my car. So I open my car and I sit down, but when I sit down, a cave of snow falls into my car onto the seat and all over me and starts melting. Say hi, Daddy. Daddy saw you in the snow.
I don't play.
Get off the floor.
Get off the floor.
Didi, you wanna play snow fight with me
Hell no.
Say tomorrow.
tomorrow?
No thanks.
Say, because you don't want me to kick your butt.
You want me to? You don't want me to kick your butt.
Okay. Anyways.
Stop touching me.
Oh gosh. I remember my vagina is like still wet of the ice.
Hi, Amy Hair. Hi, Amy Hair. Wow, Amy Hair. And then cut
You want to do what?
You want to fight?
You asking me if I want to fight?
Yeah. Okay. Okay, this is pretty good. Okay.
Let's fight. Emma, can you get your dog? She keeps trying to bite me. Round 4? What you mean round 4?
It's time for round 4 time fight. Okay. 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 Let's... Whoa. Can't get me. Oh. Daddy.
Hey, don't touch my phone.
I'm trying to fix it. Mama, fuck.
You need to get your dog because she kept trying to bite me.
She's very
Move.
with Onyx.
You see? She keeps trying to bite me. That's the end of it. That's it.
Alright.
Okay, I need seesaws. Where's the seesaws? You're cold on mine.
Here, your towel. I'll put it in the basket. Onyx! Stop! Stop! Not that silly.
Hell yeah. Hot as fuck. Oh, yes. This is what I'm eating. Patele, vegan style with rye rice. Hell yeah. I'll take a bite off of this because I'm hungry. Fuck. I just burned my mouth. Oh my god. Oh fuck. much better. Oh.
Was not always half shark, half boy. He was a marine biologist, or at least in training. His father studied great white sharks and called his son Shark Boy because of how much he loved to care for the sharks. He made them sushi and had given them all names. Good Milk, Piggy, Eggbat. Burst your bubble, Jamie. Hand over the book, or yours is the dream world. Good night. Good night. Good night.
Hell no.
Is that Hemi Hen? Wow, Hemi Hen. Wow, Timmy too. Is that my Hemi Hen? Hemi Hen. Wow, Hemi Hen. Hemi Hen.
Okay, enough. Alright, it is time. Oh my god, did I see my skin? Ooh, shit. Oh, jeez. It is time to shower. I'm getting so sleepy, honestly, and I'm not working tonight. Today is a chill day because I have to come back to get my coat and my boots and eat and I'm still hungry, honestly, even though I ate all of that. But I think hopefully there's more left for me to eat, more pateles, because those are vegan pateles. For me, it was just a whole bunch of vegetables inside of basically a green banana. And it was good, and I'm hungry. So, time for the bath. Ah, damn, why is everything burning me today? Fuck. Alright, so I just hope this vlog is long enough for you guys. I'm in the shower, finally. And I really don't know what else to say. I'm just having a chill day, I guess. I'm kind of boring. I like to do fun stuff, but I am a boring person because I don't really do much. But I like to do stuff, but I just don't do stuff. So, yeah. So I'm nice and steamy, and with me when it comes to soaps, I don't know why I'm adding this into the vlog, but why not? I only use Dial soap, like antibacterial soap, or African raw black soap. Is that how you call it? African black raw soap or African raw black soap? Just like this. Or just African raw soap. Like this. This is how it looks. And it does loveliness for your skin. Lovely. I think it's my mom's and I'm just sneaking it. I'm just sneaking it so I can use it because she don't know that I'm using it. But yeah, that's really, really good for your skin. Natural products is always the best products for your skin compared to something that has fragrance, such as Dial soap. I guess it is an antibacterial soap, but still got fragrance in it, so it's still not really good for your skin. So, natural is the best way. Oops, I'm wrong. It's dark. It's so dark in here. It's so dark. Oh my god. Hell yeah.
This is all wrong. Someone else's dream.
Hell yeah. You're dumb? Are you dumb? Ew. There's animal flesh in there. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I wanted some so bad, but the smell of the dismembered chicken body parts just disturbed me, like, automatically. This is gross. So I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I really don't know what else to do in this vlog because today is just a very boring, simple day. I literally went from my best friend's house. No, I literally went from working last night. I didn't wake up until like 2 in the afternoon. Went back to sleep. Woke up around 7. I was gonna start to get ready for work. And then I was like, fuck that. It's snowing outside. It's fucking snowstorm. I'm not going to work with a jacket and just a sweater. I need my coat and my boots. So I got dressed. Hopped on a damn train. Took me, what, probably like 2 hours to get to Staten Island. This hurts so bad. This one. This one. Well, this one actually, I think it popped. It definitely did pop. These two hurt though. And then, yeah, waited for my sister to pick me up. Her car was frozen. And then I just came here. I ate immediately because I was starving. Because in my friend's house, there's literally nothing for me to eat. It's just animal products. So I was starving. Then I hopped in the shower. Now I'm watching Shark Boy and Lava Girl. Even though it's going to be boring. But who cares, right? Right. And also, FYI, for those who didn't notice, yes, I did change my YouTube name to Blue Sapphire. Because it's like, I have my channel named Sapphire's Beauty. And I don't even really do anything like makeup-wise. Because nobody really is interested in that. So just change it to Blue Sapphire so I could do everything. Vlogs. I'm trying to eventually focus on strictly vlogs. Any type of vlog. But let's see how things go. Okay? Can you put on a damn movie? It's 1:40 in the morning. So what the hell does the semen do to your face?
Sapphire, it's not semen.
You called it a semen.
I called it semen because it looks like semen, but it's not semen.
So why is it sticky? You're disgusting. Stop it. It's not semen.
It could be horse semen for, you know. You just put it all over your face, drip, and you stare at it.
No, it's not. I'm vegan. It's sticky.
Oh. And it's that, so.
I see it. It says grade A cow titty milk right on the label. Enjoy your strawberry yogurt. Enjoy it while it lasts. I hope you enjoy your cow titty milk yogurt.
I don't know which one I counted either.
I bet.
I want to harvard nuggets.
Disgusting. Disgusting. Take the bottle out. Like this. And then you put out a clay. Like that. You see that? And then, I don't know why I'm whispering. Strings off. And then open it up. Can you see it open? Hell no, I don't want to see no damn grudge. Are you dumb? Like, are you dumb? What old school movie? Nightmare on Elm Street. I'm scared to see Lights Out again. I have no idea. None whatsoever. Damn. There you go. Flopped out like a piece of pate. So yeah, I can see a little peek of what's inside of it. Vegetables. What? So lower it. Oh, back you in your ass. What? Who's haunted? They're haunted?
I don't think so.
What? That's gnarly.
When I went to go put it on and read it, it did completely switch.
Oh, you talking about literally in real life?
Yeah, literally.
Oh. My phone does that too.
Well, see, when a priest discovers his wife is deathly ill, he decides to go against his faith and uses knowledge of exorcism to possess her in order to save her life.
To possess her.
That's quite an interesting twist.
Dad, what's the matter with you? Are you crazy?
She didn't even act.
Oi. Really is that?
She don't feel her breath. How she don't feel her breath.
What the fuck?
Oh my God.
What was it?
Sapphire, let it go. No?
Oh! Well, she's dead.
She's probably get knocked out. She probably got a good butt whooping.
That's the whitest. Oh, hell no. Oh. I went to a haunted house before and they were chasing me like that.
Can you stop pushing me out of the frame?
Oh, there's Sapphire in the background. Horrible. I wouldn't be there.
Yeah, these bull-like movies ain't playing. Hey, ho, we're gonna get somebody flexible. Can you put your feet on your head? Say no more.
Alright, y'all, so it is like, what time is it? 2:49 in the morning. We just finished watching this whack-ass movie. But we didn't even finish it. But I am finally getting sleepy. So, therefore, I hope you guys enjoyed this second Vlogmas. And even though it was probably boring, but I hope you guys enjoyed it anyways. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and ring that little bell next to the subscribe button. And thank you for watching. Thank you.